Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok like this, and then here you can update your app if you find the update, so please don't forget